In this video, we'll be navigating around the Bentley Infrastructure Cloud platform. I'd recommend installing the connection client to make logging in easier. Type in the email address, and then you'll be able to be logged in across all the Bentley applications. Navigate to your web address, infrastructurecloud.bentley.com. You will then be presented with the login page. Click on the email address associated with the connection client. When you first log in, you'll be presented with the most recent projects you've either been working in or have been invited to. You can change that by clicking alphabetically or last created. There is also another tab. You can click on My Favorites. These are the projects you have favorited to be able to find them easier in the future. If you click on the All Projects button, you'll be directed to a very long list of all the projects that you have been invited to. You can search these by clicking the button here and typing in a keyword or term. This will then search across all of the columns, and you can see here it's highlighted the results. There is also a filter item across each of the columns. So if you wanted to, you could be very specific and look in project number or project name. All projects, because I'm admin, I can see all the projects that have been created across the platform. And this is the Favorites tab. To add something to your Favorites tab, navigate to the project and click on the little star. Refresh and then click on the Favorites tab and you'll see this has now been added. So you can easily access it in the future. When you've finished, simply untick the star, refresh, and this will be removed from your favorites. This will always take you back to the home page. So no matter where you are, if you're in a project, you can simply click on this icon and it will take you back to the landing page. So either be ProjectWise, Synchro Control, or Bentley Infrastructure Cloud. So always top left-hand corner will take you back.